হ্যালো স্টুডেন্টস, আজকে আমরা ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং মেকানিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং ড্রয়িংয়ের মধ্যে একটি টপিক, সেটা হচ্ছে ডেভেলপমেন্ট অফ অবলিক সারফেসেস। তার নেক্সট প্রবলেমটা নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। অলরেডি আমরা দুটো প্রবলেম আলোচনা করেছি আগের ভিডিওগুলোতে। তো এবার যে প্রবলেমটা নিয়ে আলোচনা করব সেটি হচ্ছে একটি অবলিক কোণ। ঠিক আছে, তো কোয়েশ্চেনটা কীরকম আছে সেটা বলে দিচ্ছি। দেখো, ড্র the development of an oblique cone having circular base of 40 mm diameter. Circular base is of 40 mm. The base is diameter of 40 mm. 50 mm height. The height, this is the vertical height, it is given, and its right hand generator is making an angle of 60 degree with HP. So here this is the front view of an oblique cone. Okay, so this oblique cone has many generators. Okay, so the most right generator, this is that right hand generator. So this right hand generator is having an angle of 60 degree with HP. Okay, this is the HP, and this right hand generator is having an angle 60 degree with it. তো এই কোণটা রয়েছে অবলিক কোণের রাইট হ্যান্ড জেনারেটর এটি, আর এটা হচ্ছে লেফট হ্যান্ড জেনারেটর, মানে বাঁ হাতের জেনারেটর, এটি ডান হাতের জেনারেটর। জেনারেটরসগুলো পাওয়া যায় যখন আমরা কোণটিকে তার যে অবজেক্টের যে টপ ভিউতে যে আমরা সার্কেলটা পাই, সার্কেলটাকে আমরা যখন 8টা ভাগে ডিভাইড করলে, তাহলে এইখানে রাইট হ্যান্ড যে জেনারেটরটা আসবে সেটি হচ্ছে যখন এই টপ ভিউটাকে আমরা 8টা বা 12টা ভাগে ভাগ করলে এই যে লাইনসগুলো আমাদের আসছে, এই লাইনগুলো যখন প্রজেকশন নেওয়া হয়, এই যে লাইনগুলো আসে, এই প্রজেকশন লাইনগুলোকে আমরা বলি জেনারেটর। ঠিক আছে, এগুলো ইমাজিনারি লাইন্স হয়। আর এই যে অবজেক্টে রয়েছে, এই অবজেক্টের রাইট হ্যান্ড, মানে আমার ডান হাতের দিকে এই যে লাইনটি যাচ্ছে এক্সট্রিম রাইট হ্যান্ডে, সেটি হচ্ছে কি রাইট হ্যান্ড জেনারেটর, আর লেফটে যেটা রয়েছে সেটা হচ্ছে লেফট হ্যান্ড জেনারেটর। তো রাইট হ্যান্ড জেনারেটর ইজ মেকিং অ্যান অ্যাঙ্গেল অফ 60 ডিগ্রি উইথ এইচপি। তো এইচপির সাথে কত অ্যাঙ্গেল করেছে? 60 ডিগ্রি অ্যাঙ্গেল করেছে, রাইট। আর দ্য ভার্টিক্যাল হাইট ইজ গিভেন 50. Okay, the height is given 50. Now we have to draw the top view first and then project the projection lines and draw the front view. Okay, so for drawing first we have to draw 40 mm diameter circle. ঠিক আছে, তো প্রথমে আমরা 40 mm ডায়ামিটারের সার্কেল ড্র করব। দেন উই হ্যাভ টু ডিভাইড দ্য সার্কেল in 8 equal parts with the help of set square, 45 degree set square. Then mark each and every point like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, total 8 points. Then project all the points like 1 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6 and 5 upwards, vertically upwards. Straight vertical upward lines will be drawn from each points, okay, with the help of set square up to this horizontal line, okay. Then first we have to draw a line which is 60 degree from point number 5, the extreme right hand point. Okay, so the extreme right hand point is 5 here, and when it is projected upwards, we will mention it like 5 dash. Okay, so from 5 dash we have to draw a straight line inclined with HP in angle 60 degree. Okay, so we will draw it first, and we will draw a height a height of 50 millimeter. We will draw a height of 50 millimeter from here to here. So this line will be cut. So this vertical height will be 50, okay, and this will be at angle 60 degree. So this 60 degree right hand generator and this vertical height, these two lines will cut at point O dash, okay. Then this will be the right hand generator. Then we found the apex point here. This is the apex or vertex, and from this point now we will join each and every point with this vertex, okay. So from 1 dash, 2 dash, 8 dash, 3 dash, 7 dash, 4 dash, 6 dash, we will draw straight lines, straight inclined lines with will join it with apex point or vertex point O dash, okay, like 1 dash O dash, 2 dash O dash, 3 dash O dash, 4 dash O dash and 5 dash O dash. So we will get this front view, okay, oblique cone front view. Now we have to find out the true lengths of the generators. So to find out the true lengths, we have to project all the points, suppose 1, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6 and 5, okay, from O dash. We have to complete the top view first. In the top view we will extend this center line. We will extend this center line towards this, and from this height, this vertical line, the vertical line, it will cut this horizontal line at O point, okay. So this will also be that apex point or vertex point in the top view. So we have to join, also we have to join each and every generators like 8O, 7O, 6O, 2O, 3O, 4O and 5O. So each and every generator we will have to join with this vertex or apex point like this. So after doing that, this portion from 7 to 3, okay, so from 7 to 3 this portion will be hidden, because in the top view it will be not seen, okay. We will see this edge or this line, continuous line, and this line also continuous and this line also continuous, and this line will be hidden line, okay. It will be not seen from the top. So it will be the top view and this will be the front view. So after doing all these top view and front views, we have to find the true length, okay. So to find the true length, we have to use a compass. Draw an arc like this from 0 to 1, drawing a arc like this, okay. Just use the compass and draw as radius 1 0. From 1 you have to draw like this. This will be the vertical line, okay, this will be the vertical line. We will draw like this and also will project it, okay. We will project it up there and like this. From 1 we will draw a arc like this, and then from this point we will draw a vertical line, and from there we will join it with this apex point like this. with a straight line, the 1 dash O dash. Okay, so this will be the true length of this edge 1 O. Actually this line 1 dash O dash is same as 1 dash O dash here. Okay, it will be same because the two generators, the right hand generator and the left hand generators, are parallel. These are parallel with HP. Okay, so these are parallel with HP. So the two extreme generators will be the true lengths of it. Okay, so from 0 to 1 we will draw 1 0 line, true line as true line. Then from 0 to 8, from 0 to 8 we will take an arc with the help of a compass 0 to 8 and draw it like this. From 0 to 8 it will pass through 2 and it will go along this line. Okay, and then you have to project it vertical upward and it will mark it as point 2 and then join this point with this point with the help of a scale like this. So this line will be 2 O dash. Okay, so 2 O dash, or this is the projection of point 2 and 8. So we have to write 2 first, then have to write 8. Okay, so this line representing 8 O dash or 2 O dash. Okay, and then we will have to find the 7 point and 3 point generators true length as the same way. So we will use a compass like this. From 7 point it will come like this. Okay, and it will go on like this, and from here we will draw a vertical line. This point will be 7 dash 3 dash because it is coming from this point 7 and 3. So this point will mark 7 dash 3 dash, and from this point we will join that apex with a scale. Okay, and then in similar way we will project this point 6 and 4 from O like this, project it 6 and 4 and join this. So this will be the true length of 6O or 4O, this line. And then the last point, this is 5 number point. So from 5 number point we will draw another arc like this and we will project it vertically at this point. It will be 5 dash, and from this 5 dash we will join it with the apex point like this with a straight line. So we will get this 1 2 3 4 5, these 5 generators true length in here. The true length will be here. So after getting the true lengths we can now draw the actual development of this object. So now we have to start the development. So first we have to take the 1 0 line, okay, to start. So 1 0 line, we will take this line in a compass, this length 1 0 in compass, and draw anywhere in the sheet like this. From taking this point as O like this, or this point as O and 1 as the length O1, draw this line O1. okay, this will be the same as this line. Draw this with the help of scale and compass, and then we have to take this arc 1 2 in compass length. We have to measure this with compass 1 2, and from one point we will cut a arc like this. From 1 we will cut an arc like this, okay, and then from 0 to 2, O to 2, this line O to 2, we will take this line in compass, and from O as a center draw another arc and cut it. So this so there will be a point 1 to cut and 0 to 2 cutting. So then with the help of French curve you will join 1 with 2, and with the help of a scale we have to join 2 with O. 1 to 2 will be joined with French curve, and 2 to 0 will be joined by a plane scale or ordinary scale, okay. So after that we have to repeat it, so 1 2 and then 3. So from 2 to 3 we will take this length, this arc length, with the help of compass like this. 2 to 3 take this length with help of compass, then from 2 draw arc like this at 3, okay, at 3, and 3 O, this line we have to take the length of this line with the help of a compass, as O as a center, draw an arc, another arc like this. So these two arc will cut at a point 3, and then again join this 2 3 line with the help of French curve, and 3 0 line or 3 O line with the help of scale. So by repeating it from 1 2 3 4 5 and then repeating 6 7 8 and then 1, we will get a shape like this, okay. We will get a shape like this after completing each and every cut, okay. So 2 to 3 we have done already. So from 3 to 4 we have to take 3 to 4 arc, then cut it like here, and 4 O dash. So 4 O is there, we will take this length and we will cut this from here and we will join this. So from 4 to 5 we will take 4 to 5 draw an arc, and 5 to O, 5 O we will take this in compass, and we have to cut this point as 5 and we have to join this, okay. 4 to 5 will be on with the help of French curve. So after this point 5 you will see there is 6. So we will take 5 to 6. So 5 to 6 we will cut a arc here, and 6 O is here. After 5 there is 6, okay. So this line 6 0 line, this will be cut from here to here, okay. So we will get this 6 point, we will join this with French curve, and this will be straight line. So this thing will be repeated till 8 to 1. 8 to 1 you will draw draw a arc from 8 to 1 and join this from 0 to 1, this line from 0 to 1, cut a arc and join this, and you will get a fine curve like this, okay. So this will be the development of this oblique cone, okay. So if you have any problem, please do comment in the comment section. Hope you like the video. Thank you.